Welcome back to MVP Auto Zone. If you're passionate about freedom, the open road, and living life on your terms, then you're going to love what we've got today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because this 2026 Ford Motorhome is something every adventure lover needs to see. Now let's get into it. The Ford Motorhome 2026 is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution. Built on Ford's most durable chassis yet, this motorhome delivers power, comfort, and cutting-edge tech in one jaw-dropping package. Whether you're cruising through mountain passes or setting up camp under the stars, this beast is built to handle anything you throw at it. Under the hood, you're looking at a powerful 7.3L V8 engine, tuned specifically for long-haul journeys. It's not just about power, it's about endurance, towing capability, and reliability that doesn't quit. And with a hybrid assist system now integrated into the 2026 model, fuel efficiency is better than ever. You get the strength of a workhorse with the brains of a smart traveler. Step inside, and it's like entering a luxury apartment on wheels. The 2026 Ford Motorhome features a completely redesigned interior, open floor plans, panoramic windows, and ultra-premium finishes. The lighting is soft and adjustable, the seating is plush and ergonomic, and every surface feels intentionally crafted for travelers who expect more. Let's talk tech. The cockpit is now equipped with Ford's Sync 5 system, complete with AI voice command, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a massive 15-inch central display, and 360-degree cameras that make navigating tight spots a breeze. And yes, Ford added a new camp mode. One tap, and the vehicle levels itself, adjusts interior lighting, deploys the awning, and preps your entertainment system. Now, we can't forget the kitchen and bathroom setup, which have seen major upgrades for 2026. The kitchen features an induction cooktop, full-size smart fridge, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine for those morning mountain views. The bathroom now includes a rainfall-style shower, heated floors, and more storage than most city apartments. Sleeping arrangements. You've got a queen-size master bed with memory foam, motorized blackout blinds, and USB-C ports on both sides. Need more beds? The convertible dining area and powered drop-down bunk give you sleeping space for up to 6. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a full-on mobile residence. What really sets the Ford Motorhome 2026 apart is how it makes adventure feel effortless. Solar panels, a 5,000 watt-hours lithium battery bank, onboard Wi-Fi with satellite boosting, and even an app-controlled power management system, it's freedom in the palm of your hand. So if you're ready to hit the road in style, comfort, and unmatched capability, the Ford Motorhome 2026 is calling your name. Subscribe now for more reviews, deep dives, and road trip inspiration right here on MVP Auto Zone.